I hope you all had a lovely break, and welcome back to the second part of my talk, which is fundamentals of training AI models for computer vision and video analytic applications. And in the first part, we covered a single step of a deep learning model training. And if you remember, we went through the forward pass, through the loss calculation, through the function optimization, backpropagation, and weights update. So now what I'm showing you at this slide is the bigger picture. So these two so-called training curves, and they show you how our model performs during the whole training. And as I mentioned in the first part, deep learning training is an iterative process. It means that these epochs repeat for a number of times. And in this example, you can see that we have 2,000 epochs. The tool used here to visualize these curves is called TensorBoard, and it's a very nice tool compatible with popular frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. And essentially what it does, it visualizes the values of your loss function, as you can see on the left. And as you can see that during the training, it decreases with each step. And this is basically the ideal picture you want to achieve. And if it doesn't look like that, that might indicate that something is going wrong with your training. It can also indicate that if your model has achieved already good performance, then the loss will be in a very low level and constantly not decreasing. That means that you don't need to train further. Your model have converged, and you have already a good model. In addition to loss, we can also visualize different metrics or scores. And here I'm just showing the accuracy score. And basically what it is, it's something more, because loss value, it can be some number. It's hard to interpret. But the metrics, they are something which is easier to interpret. If, for example, we're talking about a segmentation problem, and we compare our ground truth segmentation mask and the estimated segmentation mask, we can say that 90% of the mask has been recognized correctly. This is a meaningful interpretable metrics, and this is called accuracy. We have different accuracies, different metrics for different tasks, precision, recall, or you can use a combination of those, like F1, for example. So you can also visualize them using tools like TensorBoard, and this will also give you some feeling how your training is going.